Did you already get an email from them?
I got an email. The one guy said on February 12th that said they received the wrong item, but it's the only thing I've sent back in probably months and months and months, so we know it wasn't. And then they said they destroyed the item, and then the other guy said they were going to send it back. Very confusing. Nobody really knows what's going on. But it's quite a lot of money, so I'm definitely not real happy about that. Okay, so we have a problem. I mean, like I was telling Philip, there's always problems in this business. There's always drama. And it's always the most simplest things, right? And today is Amazon. As you guys know, I've been an Amazon affiliate for a long time. We always put links below for Amazon stuff. We'll get a few pennies off this here and there. You know, we get $200 to $300 a month off our Amazon affiliates across all 4 channels. Not a lot of money. But this particular situation really, truly bothers me because it's not only the money for this item. So let me explain in depth a little more. I bought the Sony ZV1, a camera that would focus okay on some stuff. On most stuff, it was horrible. It was a camera, it was a point and shoot made for arm's length focus. If you turn it around and try to use it for anything else, it was not great. It would not work with the gimbal. So I bought on Amazon for this reason. If it totally sucked or if we dropped and broke it, we could send it back. The camera is about $800, give or take. I think it was a little over, like $807, $805, something like that. Pretty expensive for a little point and shoot. So we had it not quite a month, and I was like, you know, this thing is sitting here on the workbench not being used. We need to send it back. We're never going to use it. So we made a decision at that point in time. Let's send it back. Let's get a full-size DSLR, a full-frame camera like a Canon R6, R5 or R6, something really expensive. Something that lets a lot more light in than our Canon 80D, which we're using right now. And something we could put on the gimbal and have some real high-quality stuff, right? So I thought, well, let's send this back, take the $800, let's put it towards the Canon R6. More than likely, that's what we get. The Canon R6 is about $2,700 for the body only. That would kind of soften the blow of that, right? So we sent it back to Amazon. I packed that up on February 1st. And never heard a word back from them. So at the end of February, I was like, what the hell? Where's my refund? Got on live chat. It said at that point they still hadn't accepted it. It still says right now, if you go on to the messenger thing, that they still haven't accepted. They still haven't received anything. And so I live chatted them. At first, like, oh yeah, no problem. We'll send your money back 3 to 5 business days. That was a week and a half or 2 weeks ago now. And never got anything. So it's Monday. It's Thursday or Friday. I live chatted them. Went down the list through all this nonsense. Got a phone number to call. Somebody in India, right? With Amazon, with YouTube, if you ever get anybody on the phone through the phone company or any big corporation, anybody you get on the phone knows nothing. They pay them 10 rupees a day or I don't know, however much. They don't know anything. They're just there just to direct somebody here, direct somebody there. So now the story is they received the wrong item. Okay? We didn't send the wrong item back. It's the only thing I've probably ever returned. And me and Philip sat here and packaged it up. And UPS came and picked it up. I made sure and packaged everything correctly in the box. Exactly how it was, so they couldn't say this isn't here, that's not there. Anyhow, all that aside, they said it's the wrong item, and now they've destroyed the item that I sent back. So Friday, they sent me an email and said, yeah, we got the wrong item, too bad. As you're going to see today, we'll use this as an intro, so today they're going to say the same thing. And that very much worries me.
Can I have your name, please?
It's Nathan.
Thank you, Nathan. And thank you for being a Prime member. And how can I help?
I have an issue. I returned a camera, a Sony ZV1, back on the 1st of February and repackaged it all in the original packaging. Very careful about it. I returned it. Never got a refund, so a week or so ago I did a live chat and they said no problem, the refund is on its way. Never got anything. And today I got a live chat again. Now they say that they received the wrong item and that pretty much too bad. So I'm not sure if that's like a normal scam that's going on or what's going on, but I need to get it resolved.
Okay, can I have the last 4 digits of the order number?
1 second here, I'll get it for you. Let's see. Order number, the last 4 is 3809.
Okay, I will submit a form here since it still says that it was pending. Seems like it was stuck here. Please wait a moment. And by the way, what is the problem with the camera?
It would not focus. We tried to use it. It just would not do what we needed to do. So I thought while we were still in the time frame of be able to send it back, I sent it back.
Hello Nathan, thank you for patiently waiting and sorry for the wait.
Yes.
I have successfully filed the form for the stock refund. It's been a long time and still not yet refunded. So what this will be handled now by our back office, and I think maybe it's because for the amount. Okay, so
okay.
They will send you an email notification about the refund within 48 hours.
Okay, so even though they were saying they received the wrong item, what was all that about? Is that like common?
Wrong item. Let me go ahead and check. Did you already get a response from our back office?
I'm sorry, did I what?
Did you already get an email from them?
I got an email. The one guy said on February 12th that said they received the wrong item, but it's the only thing I've sent back in probably months and months and months, so we know it wasn't. And then they said they destroyed the item, and then the other guy said they were going to send it back. Very confusing. Nobody really knows what's going on. But it's quite a lot of money, so I'm definitely not real happy about that.
I see. Let me check here. February 12th. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna file an appeal here for this refund that you've requested, and we'll wait for their response again, okay?
Okay, so how long do you think that'll take? 4 to 8 hours?
Yes.
Okay, so once they get that email, then
And,
we'll go from there and see what comes out of it, huh?
yeah, so aside from this, Nathan, will there be anything else?
That's it.
Thank you for shopping with Amazon. Stay safe and have a good day.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. I think Marvin's breathing the phone awful hard. Okay, well, to be continued then.
Have your name, please.
My name is Nathan.
Thank you so much for that information, Nathan. And thanks for being a part of our Prime family. How can I further assist you for today?
I have a question about a refund.
Sure, I'll be more than happy to check on the status of your refund for you. What's the last 4 digits of the order number?
Oh, 1 second here, I'll get it for you.
Is this for the compact digital vlogging 4K video camera?
Yes.
Alrighty, so it shows that this item was returned and received on February 3rd. Right, so yes, you should have been refunded.
Yeah. So what's happened is I sent the item back on February 1st. So yeah, probably got there the 3rd or 4th. And they never got a refund. So I end up live chatting. That was probably a week and a half ago. And they said the refund would be sent 3 to 5 business days. It never did. And last Friday I actually did the call in. And they said, "Oh, well, you sent the wrong item." And I was like, no, I didn't. And that's where we're at with it.
Alrighty, so let's see here. One moment. So yes, I'm seeing here that according to them, the wrong item was sent back. Did they say what they received?
Nope. And it's the only Amazon return I've ever done, so I know it wasn't the wrong. I know we didn't send the wrong item, that's for sure. Is that a common thing? Like to where they check the wrong package or something? I mean...
Alrighty, so what I'm going to do here is to have it escalated over to our account specialist. What they'll usually do is to reach out to you by email within 24 hours, actually.
So that's what they did last time.
In regards to your refund.
Right.
So I'm going to give them the updated information here that you actually did return the item, and what you returned was the correct item, not the incorrect one. Or you already replied to them?
Yeah, I did that last time. Was a Thursday or Friday when I called in. They did that, and basically they just wrote back and said, "Yeah, we got the wrong item. Too bad." Essentially, that's what the email stated. And I was like, well, I didn't send the wrong item, and it's kind of a lot of money, so not sure what to do. I'm actually an Amazon affiliate on 3 of my YouTube channels. I'm an actual business, so it's not like I'm just some dude trying to send stuff back that's wrong. We're pretty active with Amazon, so I really did not expect this from Amazon, actually.
Alrighty, give me one moment. Okay, so I send the updated information over to our account specialist. Hopefully they get back to you in 24 hours to provide the refund.
Okay, we'll just wait, and if they don't, just call back, I guess, or what's the...
Alrighty, so they should reach out to you, but it will be by email.
Right. Okay.
Alrighty, Nathan. Is there anything else I can look into here for you?
I guess not. That should work.
No. Take care, and thanks for making it Amazon.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, so now you guys seen the video. This is played out. Was it... This is the second time we called it, the third time? I can't even remember. But they're quick to get you off the phone to send you to escalate it to the other department. I don't even remember what the hell they even called it. Then within an hour, they send you email back saying basically piss off, that too bad, right? Here's the problem with this. At the end of the day, is this going to derail my life? No, it won't. If you work a regular job and you make $300 or $400 a week, and you just lost $800 for no reason at all, I'd be ultra pissed. That means you had to work 2 weeks just to give Amazon $800 for no reason. And that's not okay, right? I've only ever returned one other thing through Amazon in my whole entire life. It's been probably 2 years ago. So it's not like I'm returning the wrong stuff trying to scam Amazon. And you would think us being an affiliate, a fairly good-sized affiliate, they would take that in consideration and say, okay, this dude's not just some Joe Schmo trying to scam us. The problem is, all these big companies, if you call in, the people you get on the phone, they don't have any power to do anything. They don't care. They're getting, like I said, they're 10 rupees a day or whatever the hell they're getting paid, no matter if they help you or not. And any big companies like this anymore, and that's where we're at. Here's my biggest problem. We bought our heat AC unit for the shop through there, which is was more than the camera was. The camera we're shooting right now with about their Amazon, in sole purpose to be able to use that return policy if something went wrong. We bought extended warranties to these cameras through everything. Everything we sell in our Amazon store is fairly inexpensive. You know, it depends on what it is. But it really makes a person look, are we going to have this problem again? If it's as easy as saying we didn't get it or we got the wrong item, too bad, what kind of scam is that, right? So did Amazon scam us at $800? Well, it sure the hell looks like they did, right? How many other people in the United States or in the world have they scammed out $800 or $1,000 this year? Thousands and thousands and thousands, more than likely. We're not the first ones, I can promise you that. And that's the deal. So be very careful out there. If they can't resolve this, we'll have to revisit the Amazon affiliate section of this channel and the other channels. And we might have to shift to somewhere else. I don't know. So that's going to be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Be careful out there. Have a good day. We'll see you later.